morning, dear students. Today, in this lesson, we are going to continue your same chapter, that is your chapter number 2, chapter name Computer Inside the System Unit. In this chapter, till now, we had learned about the different components which are present inside your system unit. What is a system unit? A system unit is a big box which contain different components for the working of the computer. Till now we had discussed about motherboard, CPU, RAM, ROM and the storage devices like hard disk, CD-ROM and Blu-ray disc, etc. So now with that only we are going to discuss some more components, and some of the more components in the list is, the first one is SMPS. The full form for this, switched mode power supply. You need to learn the full form for this. What is the use of this device? Basically, as we all know that your computer is an electronic device. As it is an electronic device, it definitely need some current for the working of the computer. But when the current pass on, the voltage of the current or the degree of the current is very high, or sometimes this is very low. So for the working of the component, we need some type of that device which adjusts the level of voltage for power supply. For this purpose, we use this device, switch mode power supply, so that we can control the level of the current, which type of the current we need, or at what volts or the voltage we need that current. In that device we have one fan also, which control the heating level inside the system unit, or we can say that it cool down the heating inside the system unit, that comes because of the different other components inside your system unit. The next is adapter cards. Now what are adapter cards? An adapter card is a circuit board which is fitted in the socket on motherboard. It enhances the function of various components of computer. On the motherboard we have adapter card. Onto the adapter card there are different components, or different cards are fixed. These cards are used for the working of different hardware parts, like for your good quality of the sound which is coming from the computer or laptop, we need sound card for the voice from your computer, or to connect to the speaker or microphone. Video card we need to enhance the graphic quality so that it provide us good video and graphic quality. Network card we need it for the internet connection. So for the working of different hardware devices we need different cards so that it work differently. So for the different purpose, for the different hardware devices we need different cards so that they can work properly. So this is all about your adapter cards. The next one is our ports. Ports are number of holes or the and slots into which we plug in computer device. If you have laptop at your home, did you even see once on the right hand side or on the left hand side of the laptop, on the sides we have different holes where we plug in different wires. Like if you want to charge your laptop, you need to plug the wire of your charger wire to a one different hole, that is also known as a port. When you want to connect your pen drive to the laptop, there is also one hole which is called a port, to which we connect the pen drive. To your Headphones, when you want to attach it, we have different types of the ports. A different circle hole is present, so these holes are called different ports or the slots, which are used to connect different types of the devices to your computer. Similarly, like the laptop, at the back side of system unit, we have different types of holes. We have the system unit. Backside view of the system unit is this, where it's also has some of the holes, or we can say that the ports, which is used to connect different wires to it. So this is all about your three components of that are present inside your system unit.